So more teaching and learning, why not? So these kind of posts, these are T-posts, what we call T-posts, and you can tell by the profile why they're a T-post. These things are 1940s technology, and when they came out, they were the bomb. And all you had to do was stretch your wire and then take a little piece of wire and wire the wire up to the post. So it worked great. Easy to put in the ground, easy to wire up, no problem. And you probably can't tell, and I don't have a handy example. Well, let's go over here. This one's in the ground, but it's a better example. I mean, it's an example of modern T-post technology. So if you compare these two, you can see that this one has these nubs and it doesn't have any holes in it. And so then you use little pre-manufactured wire clips to hold the wire in place. So you have gravity, you also have tension on the wire, and then you have the clip holding everything together, and it's very strong and it works very well. And it's much easier to do. You don't have to carry a spool of wire around and pliers and do all of this through the whole business. Holds the wires better, it's quicker. And then you can also see here probably the difference in construction between these two things. So the 1940s technology was much, much heavier. And this I bought this post, I believe, last year, so 2019. But anyway, so it's of lighter construction, but it's still very strong, in particular because of the way it's extruded. It has that very strong profile. It has a rib here on the back that carries through to that side, and it's got all of these nubs, so it's very strong in many dimensions. It's probably at least as strong as this older one, if not stronger. It goes in the ground easier because it's got a smaller profile and it's easier to clip up. So that's a little bit of learning on that. One of the things that I have to deal with now is that when I'm taking this old fence apart, I have to remove the wire from these old posts wherever they're at, and there are quite a few of them around. And it's a pain to take the wires loose because not everybody did it the same, and a lot of them have multiple wires holding them together. A lot of them have multiple false wires or multiple wires where it used to hold barbed wire. So you got to take all of that stuff loose, and it just takes time and effort. And it's not that big of a deal, but it's a pain. So I'll get on with doing this one, and then I'll be able to go on to my next brace post.